Hey guys, so here it's me with just a series of videos that I want to do about the expert advisor that we have, oeye-trader, OI indicators and such. And I just want to show you a little bit more about how I'm making it work and a couple of things you may not know about it. First things first, this video is about installing the expert trader here. The first thing you do, of course, is you have to go to Discord, where you're going to find the order server. Under the channel BT download, you just want to get the latest one of them all by Brainyard. So on here, you just download the file. File gets downloaded, and I want to go to my downloads page. Okay, so it's pretty easy and it's pretty nicely done. The way it works is that the entire structure, you don't need to figure out anything. Everything is here. Everything is set up by folders and separated correctly. So what you need to do now here is open your MT4. I have it open on my side. You want to go to File, Open Data Folder. Here you go. This is your data folder. So basically, all you want to do is just copy over this EA zip. So what I did here, at least I'm on a Windows 10. Basically, I want to open the zip file. Once open, it shows me here the folders. You see the folders here, MQL, MQL4. So you basically just drag and drop, and you will see under experts and all that, here's box trader, here's oeye-trader. Everything got copied. All the other files, wherever need to go, they went to the right place. Okay, simple as that. Now, what I need to do now is I'm gonna close down, just to make sure that everything works. I'm gonna close down MT4. I'll open it again. Just waiting a little bit for it to load. And here you go. It opened on a different. It's still opening. Took a little bit longer than normal, but okay. So here it is. Now it opened up. I'm gonna take things out a little bit, but here you go. You see, there's oeye-trader, EX, box trader, CSV trader, the three expert advisors. Now, if you go under indicators, you're also gonna see OI1 and OI2. Okay. First things you want to check out, just to make sure that everything is working correctly, you do something as simple as this. Take a look here on your expert advisor. We're going to take it for a ride. I look at oeye-trader. Okay. Here in oeye-trader, I picked anything really. You can pick any symbol, any pair that you would like. I set it up. Let's say something so simple as this, and let's try for 1 month. 1 month. I am not doing anything. We're only going to test out things. So here I'm going to make this a little bit more, just so you can see everything. Do not click optimization, because you want everything to be just filled to make sure that everything is working correctly. And you can click start. It's going to wait a little bit for an update. Yeah, things are a little bit slow on my, but see, you can see here, there you go. Look at it, how it opens and closes and creates the boxes. Here I can zoom out just to have a better idea. You see, boxes are created automatically. oeye-trader opening and closing. Okay, so now I see that everything is working as expected. Now I'm going to stop it. This was just a test on this case. Now you want to also add OI, this indicator. You basically just drag it over here. It appears on the next one. I don't do anything. I just click it. Okay, and now look at it. You can see the bars load up. Okay. So now we can see that OI is working. Also, I can do the same thing for OI2. Same thing. Do the same bar. So right now, I don't really have an idea, unfortunately, what is the big difference between OI and OI2. They appear to be apparently the same. Maybe it's just a duplication. But at the moment, you can use either, and they will return the same results. But here you can see, take a look at it. And the last thing we want to check out here is under window. You want to open a new window. Again, anything you want, any pair, USD JPY. And if you take a look at it, it is just the latest pair on H1 for USD JPY. And now, this is in case you were thinking about doing the live demo trading. Not just this was the first test we did was on tester for historical data. And now take a look at this. You basically, whenever you're ready to do some type of live demo trading or live trading, you basically just grab the EA advisor and plug it right here. After the drag and drop appears here, we don't really care so much about the inputs yet, and we click OK. And so something is not correct. Now we can take a look at it here. Yeah. So I want to do this, I want to do that, I'm going to say. No. There you go. Okay. Okay, just so that you guys understood a little bit what I did, basically was I turned on auto trading because I'm doing live. That's the first thing you need to do. Because auto trading was turned off, I saw here, and the main thing here you want to see is this smiley face. That means that the expert advisor is working as expected. Okay, if you see a frowny face, that means that there was some problem. Okay, to have any idea, again, if you want to see something about the expert advisor, it's quite easy. You do a right click on the chart, and here's expert advisors, and then I look at the properties. And these are the properties, and this is something we'll go over on the next video. Okay, it's good that I guess I found a couple of issues with myself, so that maybe that helps you out a lot too, whenever you're trying to install this expert advisor and the indicators. Okay, also on live trading, as you can see here, you can do the same thing. I can drag and drop here OI, and there you go. Working as expected. Okay, guys, I hope this was useful for you whenever you're trying to install the expert advisor. On the next videos that we'll be making, I'll explain a little bit more how to use it for testing purposes, for back testing historical, and also for live trading on demo.